Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on DuckDB. In my previous videos, we have seen two videos on DuckDB with data analytics and one video how DuckDB, one video that was the latest video, we have seen in that how DuckDB executes query different from SQL query. And that's why DuckDB is very popular for data analytics. So today we are going to see little bit in depth how DuckDB execute a query using Python. So first of all, we'll go through main simple program in which I will execute SQL queries using DuckDB in different style. So required libraries needed for the program: connection of DuckDB to MongoDB to Python in memory database, then insert create table users, then insert values in users, then display the values, then relation in the sense if we want to display specific record, then update operation. Here we have seen create table, we have seen insert operation, we have seen display operation, then we have seen convert it into pandas data frame, then update operation, and then after update displaying the record, the delete operation after deleting the record. Now I will execute the program. These simple things are very important, so that's why as we are going to see create table operation, then insert record operation, then update record, delete record. Yes, this is the first operation, display all the records, sorry, insert operation to insert 4 records, then display particular record, then update count 1. We can say here here the name of second is Amit and it is changing to Amita, and at the last one record is deleted, that is only second record, and after deleting one record is liner displayed. So that is about the different operations on the database struct. Now we will see bar chart in different style, but you will get clear cut idea because the previous program is part of the same program. So connection to DuckDB, create table, we have seen in previous program. The data in that previous program I inserted the data from DuckDB from the backend. Here I am inserting data through data frame, and then insert values and this thing, and then select, and now we will see the chart using DuckDB. Yes, total revenue per laptop is getting more revenue rather than keyboard and mouse. Yes, it is exactly clear. So I successfully done with displaying different database operation using Python with DuckDB, and also displaying bar chart with DuckDB and Python. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on DuckDB, machine learning, web development, Node.js, React.js, Python. So for latest update about DuckDB, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.